Good morning, class. Today we'll be writing a program to enter a word in mixed case and display the new word after deleting all the vowels. We also have to arrange the new word in alphabetical order of letters. So in the beginning, first we'll be importing the java.util package since I will be using the scanner class object. Next will be class. Let me take the name of the class as vowels or delete vowels. Let me say del vowels. Then public static void main string args. Then scanner class object scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Once this is done, I will be declaring a few variables. I am writing here int I, j, p, q. Also, I'll be declaring a few character variables, character ch, ch1 and so on. The string which is to be entered, I have taken the string variable as st and I have taken st2 which is initialized with null and st3 which is also initialized with null. Now I will be entering a word system.out.println enter a word. Then st equals to sc.next. I hope you remember the use of next function. It is used to enter a word. If I use the next line function, it can enter one complete line of text. Now for length, I will be using the len variable. So I am changing here. I am writing len instead of p. Okay. It is more easily understandable. Equals to st dot length. Next is the for loop. For I equal to 0, I is less than len I plus plus. We start the loop. Ch equals to st dot char at I. This will cut the 0th character. Now we are going to check this character if it is an uppercase vowel or it is a lowercase vowel. I am writing it here. Look carefully. If ch double equals to small a or ch double equal to small e, a, e, I, then o, or ch double equals to u. Now I am taking the uppercase. I hope this is clear to all. AE, then capital I, double equals to missing. CH double equals to capital O or CH double equals to capital U. This is the if statement. If it is so, then continue. You don't have to use that character. Otherwise, what are we going to do in a new string variable? We will be storing CH. That means excluding the vowels, all the other characters will be stored starting from the 0th index till len minus 1 index. One character is cut at a time. It is checked for vowel. If it is a vowel, it is not stored. Continue means we continue the loop and we go to the next iteration. We go to the next index of the string. Otherwise, it will be stored in a, if it is not a vowel, it will be stored in a string S2, which will be storing all other characters of the string except vowels. Now we will be printing system.out.println the new word after deleting the vowels is plus ST2. So the first part of the question we have done. We have deleted the vowels and we have printed the new word. Now what we are going to do, we are going to arrange the rest of the characters alphabetically. So what I am doing here, I am taking the length of the new string in Q variable, st2 dot length G. Clear? Now I will be starting the loop now. For I equal to 65, I am checking for capital letters first. I is less than 90, I plus plus. It will check for each letter. For j equal to 0, j is less than the length of the new string Q, j plus plus. That means each letter of the new string will be checked. I am taking the variable ch1 here. ch1 equals to st2 dot char at j. The j loop is used to move in the string starting from the 0th index till the last index of the string. And we are cutting one character from string 2 and storing it in the variable ch1. And the I loop is to compare it with all the capital letters. Here, if ch1 double equals to, I am typecasting into character, or ch1 double equals to char I plus 32. See what I have done here. I have compared the first character of the new string st2 with, after typecasting 65 into character. That means I am comparing it with capital A. If ch1 equals to capital A or ch1 equals to small a, how will we find small a? By adding 32 to I. 32 ऐड कर लेंगे तो 97 हो जाएगा. 97 किसका? ASCII कोड होता है स्मॉल a का. दैट मीन्स ch1 अगर कैपिटल A है या फिर स्मॉल a है तब उसको st3 में स्टोर कर दो. st3 को हमने 0 से इनिशियलाइज किया हुआ नल कैरेक्टर से. अंडरस्टूड? This is what we are going to do in the two for loops. Otherwise, it will move to the next. If it is not capital A or small a, it will move to the next character. This is one for, this is second for. Both the fors are closing over here. Now I am simply writing outside this loop system.out.println the new word after arranging the letters alphabetically is. Where is it stored? It is stored in st3. Bracket close, this close. This is the end of main, this is the end of the class. I will move here. I hope this program is clear to all of you. Now the name of the class is Del Vowels. So I will be saving it as Del Vowels .java. Now we'll go to the command prompt. Clear screen first of all. Then JavaScript del vowels.java. No mistake. See, Java del vowels. This is execution. Now enter a word. What word do you want to enter? Let me say computer as given in the question. Computer. The new word after deleting the vowels is CMPTR, and the new word after arranging the letters alphabetically is CMPRT. So the answer is correct. I am moving to the program again. You can have a look at the program slowly. Copy it down. I hope you all must have understood. Thank you, children.